present student situations.
Hey Rachel, what happened? Why are you worrying?
Yeah, Ram, really I'm not able to understand. I'm scared about my life settlement and career.
Oh, what's your problem, Rachel?
I'm not able to understand what the skills the job market requires and what the skills I have. I'm total confused about and really getting irritation on what to select and what not to select, Ram.
It's simple, Rachel. Job market requires the skills like critical thinking, analytical thinking, decision making, communication skills, teamwork, time management, leadership skills, etc.
Everybody is telling this, but I don't know how to get all this. Actually, I didn't find it in our syllabus, right?
Oh, that's what your problem means. Don't you know this? MIPER conducting an advanced pharma quiz that is PMM 2.0, where we can find ourselves and learn the skills above said. There we can change our approach towards market need and we will be market ready.
That's great, Ram. From single event, we can learn many skills.
Come, let's join.
Yeah, sure, Ram. I will join. Do you want to know yourself? Do you want to find where you are? You are in the right platform, MIPER. One decision may give you a chance to acquire required skills in an entertainment environment. Let us participate and learn.